What is going on, guys? So this is kind of more of a fun video, but it also makes financial sense too. So me and my friends, right, we bought the second entrepreneur house, and that came with right under 2 acres of land, which is super nice, right? It's very secluded, very private. We have our like a whole space, and it's pretty big too. Right now there are trees in the backyard, and we will be obviously cutting some down. We'll keep the ones in the very, very back just to, give us like more privacy from like the remaining stuff. But however, we will be cutting down all the ones in the middle, and here's why. We are actually buying a helicopter, and while you might be like, that's stupid, it's really not financially actually as bad as people think it is. So the helicopter, right, is a Robinson, and basically, right, it's around 250,000. You can get them between in the low twos, but I would not recommend getting one that low, into like the mid to high threes. So the one we're getting is right in the like high twos, and it's really not bad. Why? Because here's the thing: helicopters, unlike cars, you can finance them longer without having the higher interest rate, right? So, for example, if I were to get a car right now and I wanted to stay under 3%, the max that I could do would be 72 months. Anything over that, I would be paying a lot more in interest. Same thing with the house. I could do 30 years, still be under 3%. Now, with the helicopter, you're kind of in between. So I could be financing that helicopter. If I break it down for you guys, the helicopter will be costing us $1,500 per month, right? And as you guys know, it's around like the high twos. So let's just say sub 300 grand. So with taxes and everything included, by the way. So basically $1,500 per month. Then we looked at like the cost of fuel, right? One of my buddies, he's a pilot. He's doing his helicopter certification right now. Literally, once we started mentioning this last week. So, right, we're installing everything. We're gonna install like the helipad in the house and all of that, So that'll be super fun. And one of the main reasons is it's a Jordan Belfort kind of vibe. So one, it's just fun. Two, the other thing is helicopters value decrease the decrease of value that we would have on this thing is very minimum, if any at all, right? If we keep it in good condition, it's really not going to be bad. So yeah, it's $1,500, as well as the fuel would cost us right around $200 per month, right? So let's just say simple math, it's $1,800 total for everything, right? Now here's the thing. Basically me and 3 other of my friends will be kind of splitting it, right? Which isn't bad at all, because then if you divide that thing by 4, we're basically looking at around $400 per month or $100 per week, and we each then end up getting equity in the helicopter, as well as we get to use it for fun, right? And it's kind of like just one of the more personal ones, right? Literally in the back you can throw in like a couple of bags, golf bag, gym bag, and that's actually the main thing. Most of us love playing golf, so we would actually just take it to play golf. And yes, and again, I'm not trying to come off douchey, braggy, or anything like that, but the country club, it does have a helipad, so we'll just be using that. One, it's a nice flex. Two, it's super fun to just do it. Three would beat traffic, and then four, we actually might be making a profit on it, because guess what? We could literally start renting it out from time to time, and we don't really have an issue with that, right? We would be renting it out to friends, if whenever word spreads around. Because when I started the car rental, a bunch of my friends were like, yo, my dad wants to like drive it, or like this person wants to drive it, this wants to like, yo, let me know how much and we can set it up. Made it so much easier. And I think the same thing will happen. Even if it does, it'll be fun, right? It's basically $100 a week. We'll probably have it for like a year to 2 years. So basically the max amount of money that this thing would cost me would be $10,000 over the span of 2 years, which I'm really okay with. That's not that big of a deal, in my opinion. But again, now if I can find a way to get that $10,000 back, obviously I will, right? We could literally rent it out for like a day to someone for around $500 to $1,000. So if we do $500 for that per day, right? If I find literally 20 people in 2 years to do that, it will be a free helicopter for me. So that's kind of the logic we have behind it. And yeah, I think it's going to be fun. It's going to be a fun investment. This is what I call a toy investment in a sense. And, also tax write-off because it's, yeah. But anyways, that's kind of it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And feel free to join the Discord. We just talk about investments, crypto trading, stock trading, all that. So NFTs. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out, guys.